Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create forms in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to collect information, build surveys, or design structured data entry forms, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Writer is the easiest tool for creating basic forms. Next, enable the form tools. Go to View, then Toolbars, and turn on the Form Controls toolbar so you can access form elements. Now place your cursor where you want to add a form field, such as a name, email, or address section. Next, choose a form control like a text box, checkbox, or dropdown from the toolbar and insert it into your document. Now right-click on the form field and select Control Properties. Here you can rename the field, adjust size, and set default values. Next, design your form layout by adding labels, spacing, and headings so it looks clean and easy to fill out. If you need drop-down options, open the Properties menu and add the list items you want users to select. Now you can protect the form to prevent changes to the layout. Go to Tools, then Protect Document, and enable protection options if needed. Next, test your form by switching to Design Mode off and filling in sample data to make sure everything works correctly. Finally, save your document so your form is ready to share or print. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in LibreOffice and learned how to build structured input documents. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.